Hindi na marunong mag-drive. Wait lang. Close ko ba yung pinto? Nakis ko yung pinto. Lock natin yung pinto. Kung kailan pauwi na ako, I finally got my seat height adjustment right. Yeah, like that sound. Oh, we did it. Okay na. Oh my God.